Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Meet Lily and today is just a DIY video. That is, you are going to do it with me. So I finally bought a new fan. This particular fan right here, let me show you guys. This one has been with me for so long. It has been with me for so long. I mean, it's been 5 years. It's been 5 years having this fan, so I don't even want to blame it with the fact that it's not doing the work that it's meant to do. Like, it's on now, but I'm literally sweating. So I decided to buy a new fan, and this is what I was able to get. So I already opened it. I'm trying to figure out how to set it up. So I now decided, why not, set it up with you guys, so that if you buy this kind of fan, this is Lontor CTL-CFO058R-16. If you buy this kind of fan, you probably come to my my YouTube page and learn how to set it up with me. Someone recommended this this particular fan. It was a really good friend of mine, my love, recommended it. He has been using it for like years and it was still standing and cooling very well. So yeah, I decided to buy this particular one. So let's do it with me. But before then, remember to like, subscribe, comment. You guys are not commenting, you're just watching and not commenting. Why now? Why? So like, subscribe, comment. You can send stickers, I take that, and let's do it ourselves. All right guys, let's set this up. So first of all, I'm going to bring out everything that is in the pack, so I'll be taking it one after the other. Let's try and start. Okay, so I'm going to start with, this is the head, this is the base. So I'm just going to put it on the floor, then put the head here. Okay, let's keep bringing out. These are the fan parts. The fan has the wire, the hooks. I'm just going to put it on top. The blade, this is the blade. Oh, and it comes with a remote. Then we also have the legs here. I think that's basically it. Seeing something like this makes me feel like, okay, I can actually do this. It doesn't have a lot of screw work, hopefully. Okay, let's start. This is the base. Okay, so I just have to figure out, Chinasa. I just have to figure out which leg is the first one to put down here. Should be written somewhere, but we'll figure it out. It looks like I should start with this one. They're both the same size, so if it doesn't work out, then we try again. You put the first one, then you put the second base. Like, it should be easy, right? Okay, this is great. It's going on pretty well. If this one doesn't work, then we have a problem. Yay! It worked. Okay, so we have this standing. We have this standing right now. So now we have to like fix here. I remember they gave me a lot of tools to use for fixing that particular place. This, and then the blade and all. So I know with experience, because I'm the one that set up that one, that we are starting with this first. So you put it in here, right? You hold it still if you can. Yeah, please stay. Then use this. I think you have to put this here. We are getting this. We are going to do this together. Okay, I don't know. I don't think it's working now. Okay, yeah, we got it. See, you make sure it's tight. It's a little free will. But yeah, we did that. And then we're going to put in the blade. The blade needs to enter this, right? Oh shit, there is something missing. I need to find, oh, disaster. I need to find what you used to hold this in. All right, false alarm, I found it. So you put this here. And then my hands are shaking. Oh my god. Okay, they said anti-clockwise, please. Yes. Yes. See? It's not touching each other. It's awesome. Then the last one is to put in this. They gave a manual, though, but I've never seen a manual where they are not giving like a step-by-step stuff on what to do. So I'm trying to figure out this shit by myself. They are telling me the functions when I'm not telling me how to set it up. I even went on YouTube myself to find this particular this particular fan. So I figured this Lontor has to stand for it to work. So we're going to, so I decided to stand up to do this one. You guys, okay, awesome. So this is the last part and I'm hoping I get it right. So it's just to make sure this. I really like this fan. It's easy to set up. I really didn't need a screw. I'm sure they did it for people like me. Okay, so when it gets here, oh god, please let it not be that spots this thing. Guys, I think I'm getting it. There is a hook. There is a hook underneath. I wish I can show you. So you make sure it's pegged together and there is this hook. Let me oh, I can't show you guys again. There's a hook here. So once we have pegged it all together, you bring out the hook and now snap it in. I did it. I don't know how excited I am right now. I was able to do this whole thing by myself. So let's make sure it's actually working. I know some of you are already asking me, so what will you do with the other fan? So there is this lady that makes my hair. She has 2 kids. She's a very hardworking lady actually. I think she will really appreciate this. I know it doesn't last as much as it used to, but I think it will help. At least in the night, it stays for like 3 hours. If there's no light and you can enjoy fan for 3 hours, is that not something? So I'll give it to her. She's a very nice lady. Although if she doesn't make my eyes to finish her, but I think she deserves it. Okay, so this is the charger. Yes, the charger head. I don't really know where to fix it though. Hey, that's another thing we have to figure out ourselves, but I think it should be down. I think it should be down here. Because yes, it's here. They have off and on, then where you can put the charger. So I'll put the charger head here because I want to charge it till, thank god there is light. I want to charge it till it's filled up so I can count how long it takes. Why is it so hard to put inside? God, I beg go. So I've plugged it in now. I'm going to turn it on. Before I put it to start charging, I want to see if I actually got it right? So I'm going to turn it on here. Is it on? It's on! Yay! I did it right. Hey guys, it's blowing right. So I'm going to plug it now. Let me turn it off. I can also increase it. It comes higher. Let me turn off this one. If you see the way it's blowing in my house, like all my windows are shaking. Hey, I've been suffering in this house since. Oh yeah, how do I off? Okay guys, I was a little bit, I thought this fan was not working, but it's working now. So you have to like make sure it's on before you plug it in to charge. So you see that it's beeping. So I'm going to turn it on now. On, then I'm going to plug it here, and then as you can see, it's beeping red light. Once the red light is beeping, that means it's charging. Once you stop charging and you turn it off, let's say you remove the charger, it turns green. So it means that once it's full, the beeping light will stop and the green light will stay static. Then if you want to charge, same thing. So it's charging now. So guys, it's all set. This is how you set up your Lontor CTL. I'll write the name somewhere, but this is how you set it up. And I'm so glad you joined me to set up my fan, my new fan. I'm going to plug it in to charge for some hours until I see that it's filled up, and then I will enjoy. Thank you for joining me in this DIY on how to set up a fan, especially this fan. And I'm hoping you join me next week or anytime I post for more DIYs or more travels or more anything. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, and just welcome to the community. This is Meet Lily and I'm signing out. Let me plug my fan. Let's plug it.